Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar and I am going to demonstrate how Intelligent Management on-demand router can be configured using IBM WebSphere Application Server Network Deployment Docker containers. In this demo, we are going to make use of the IBM WebSphere Application Server Network Deployment Docker image which we created as part of the IBM WebSphere Application Server Network Deployment and Docker demo. Give Docker images nd command to review the image information. Let us start a container to run the deployment manager. The name of the container is DMGR. Through -d we have specified the container is going to run in a detached or background mode. Through -b we have specified the various port associations between the host machine and the container. -h host 1. Host 1 is the host name of the container. And nd is the image name. And the /bin/bash is the command. The container has been successfully started. You could see the identifier of the container. Let us inspect the IP of the deployment manager container. The IP is 172.17.0.15. Using the IP address, let us create a deployment manager profile. The deployment manager profile has been successfully created. Now let us start the deployment manager. Starting off, deployment manager is in progress. The deployment manager has been successfully started. Now let us start a container for the on-demand router node. So in the name what we are going to have is the ODR node and then D for detached, and then we are going to specify the host name host2, and then along with that we are adding another parameter add host. Using this parameter adds the host name and the IP address association in the /etc/host file in the container. The ODR node container has been successfully created. Let us inspect the IP address of the ODR node. It is 172.17.0.16. Now let us create the custom node profile for the ODR node. ODR node profile has been successfully created. Now let us create a container for running the node 01. The container has been successfully created. Let us inspect the IP address of the node 01. It is 172.17.0.17. Let us create the custom node profile for the node 01. Custom node profile node 01 has been successfully created. Let us start a container for running node 02, and the container for running node 02 has been successfully started. Let us inspect the IP address of node 02 container, and the IP address is 172.17.0.18. Let us create the custom node profile for node 02. Custom node profile node 02 has been successfully created. Let us connect to the admin console and review the configuration. System administration nodes. We have 4 nodes: the manager node, node 01, node 02 and the ODR node. Now let us create the on-demand router. Server on-demand router. Click new. Click OK. Select the node name ODR node. Provide the server name as ODR. Click next. Uncheck SIP. Then click next. Then click next. Then click finish. Click save to save the changes. The on-demand router ODR has been successfully created. Let us stop the deployment manager. The stopping of the deployment manager is in progress. The deployment manager has been successfully stopped. Let us start the deployment manager. Starting of deployment manager is in progress. The deployment manager has been successfully started. Let us log into admin console and start the on-demand router. Select the checkbox against the ODR, then click Start. The starting of the on-demand router is in progress. The on-demand router ODR has been successfully started. As part of this demo, we have successfully configured on-demand router using the IBM WebSphere application server network deployment Docker containers. Thank you for watching the demo.